Hi guys, this is Stephanie from Creative Limits Me, and I'm coming to you today with a DIY. Yes, a DIY. What I'm doing is I am copying the placemats from Pier1 that cost $14.95 a piece. Now, if you're interested in how I did this, stick around. Okay guys, here are the items I used. I went to the Epic Dollar Store thanks to my YouTube sister, Renee. I will put her link to her YouTube channel up above and down below as well. Now, Renee told me about the Epic Dollar Store, and it's here in Houston. It's in Spring, Texas. And I recently moved to Spring. What has been recently? I moved to Spring in December because of Hurricane Harvey. Well, in the Epic Dollar Store, I was walking around the other day, and I saw these. They're just little square bunches of grass. This is the boxwood that they use, similar to the boxwood they use on the placemats at Pier1. Now, you know those Pier1 placemats cost $14.95 a piece. Now they're on sale online for $11.95 a piece. But still, if you need 6, even if you need 4, that's going to be kind of pricey. So when I saw this, I thought I would give it a try. So I bought 12 of these. I estimated 3 per placemat. Glue sticks, my old trusty glue gun, and a Dollar Tree green placemat. Now the reason why it's on the plastic is so the glue doesn't go through on my table. Okay guys, now what I did is I pulled a lot of these off, one complete without. It makes it easier to grab them when I use them. Pier1 Birchwood placemats. So guys, you'll be seeing these soon in my Mother's Day tablescape. So I hope you come back and we'll have a good time setting up that table for Mother's Day. And if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please click that subscribe button down below and become a member. We would love to have you in the family. And also click that notification bell in the upper right corner that lets you know whenever I upload a video. And also guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be listed at the end of the video. And as always guys, this is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me, saving some coins. As always guys, you be blessed. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on my social media accounts, Facebook, Pinterest, Google+, and website, Creatively Miss Me, and Instagram, Creatively_Miss Me. And you be blessed.